The Supreme Court just allowed a deeply dangerous shift in constitutional power, and it may be setting potentially one of the most dangerous precedents in recent history. In a 6-3 decision, the court ruled that the lower courts cannot issue nationwide injunctions to block President Trump's executive order attempting to limit birthright citizenship. Instead, the order can now take effect unless challenged individually in every jurisdiction. But what does that mean? Well, the 14th Amendment guarantees citizenship to anyone born in the United States. That's not ambiguous. But this ruling allows an executive order, a unilateral action by one person, to weaken that constitutional guarantee in certain states, in fact, the majority of states, simply because a federal court can no longer block it nationwide. This is not just a legal technicality. It represents a serious breakdown in the separation of powers. The executive branch is issuing orders that contradict the Constitution, and the judiciary has now limited its own ability to check that power. Now, this sets a dangerous precedent where the Constitution is no longer the supreme law. It's something the president can attempt to override unchecked as long as no national ruling is issued. Today, it's birthright citizenship. Tomorrow, it could be voting rights, press freedom, or protections for marginalized communities. When courts no longer have the ability to stop unconstitutional actions nationwide, democracy becomes fragmented and rights become negotiable. We must not treat this as another legal action. It is a warning. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in how power is exercised and how little stands in the way. Friday, I witnessed firsthand the impact of just 2 people standing out in my local community. Horns were honking in support and praised. Now, they can take away anything they want to on pieces of paper, but they can't take away the most powerful right we have. Not on paper. Our voice. The Constitution is not optional. Please share, stay informed, and feel free to speak out.